Hello everyone, welcome to Study Guide Forum. Today we will be looking at a question. The question says the two forces F1, F2 act on a body of mass 2.4 kg. F1 has a magnitude of 6 Newton in the direction 9 in the direction north 30 degrees east, and F2 has a magnitude of 9 Newton in the direction east. Find the acceleration of the body. So we are going to find the acceleration of the body, but before we do that, we need to resolve the forces. That means getting the resultant force, or the effective force that will give us the same effect, that will act as if they are one single force that can act as these two. So to do that, we look at this. This is north, this is east, this is west, and this is south. So say that the other one is the first one, that is 30 degree. This is 30 degree, and it's 6 Newton. The other one is about 9 this direction. So the force that will have the same effect will be coming from this point, which we call the R. Now looking at this, we have relation that look like this, and in this case, we know that this 9 is equal to 9 here. These two are equal. While 6 Newton is also equal to here, this Newton here. So we're going to use cosine rule in this case. To use cosine rule, then we need to find the angle that's likely to be here. The angle that is likely to be here, we can get it by looking at this. We have an angle here that is equal. They are equal. So this is 90. This place is 90. 90 plus 30 will give us 120. That 120 is also corresponding to this one, which is also 120. So in that case, what we have what we need here. So the next thing we're going to do is to use the cosine rule, which means r squared is equal to 6 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 6 times 9 cos 120. So 36 will give us 6 squared will give us 36, and 9 squared will give us 81, and 2 times 6 times 9 will give us 108 cos 120. In the second quadrant, we have only side is positive, so cos is negative. What we have here will be cos 120. Cos 120 will give us 108 brackets minus 0.5. Then here we add up this. When we add it up, we will have we have 36 plus. So when we multiply through, it will give us 36 plus 81. Multiplying through, we have a plus, minus, multiply minus, we have plus. So what we have here should be 54. So if it's 54, we sum up. When we add it up, everything will bounce back at this squared, and then this other one r squared. Then what we have here will be 171. So our r alone will then be 171. The square root of that is 13.08 Newton. That's this force now. This force is the resultant force, the force or equivalent for or effective force that will give us the same effect as the two forces acting in different direction. So now we have it. This is what we can use to get the acceleration we're looking for. To calculate this acceleration, now we know that force is equal to ma. Now our force in this case is 13. Oh, what am I doing? 13.08 and perhaps Newton. Our mass is 2.4 and our acceleration is a, the one we are looking for. We are looking for the acceleration. So now, making a the subject of the formula, we have 13.08 over 2.4. That will give us 5 point a second square. That is what we have, 5.45 meter per second square. This is our acceleration that we're looking, that will give us that will have if the two forces are acting in the same in different directions. So thank you so much. I would like to read your comments. You can also subscribe if you have not, and then share. Let people know about the channel. Thank you so much.